Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, I am going to be talking about the luxury items, in my opinion, that are the most overrated and basically I don't think that you should buy. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's start. These are basically the luxury items that I think you're wasting your money on. Don't buy them, keep the money and put it towards a bigger item. So the first thing are, controversial opinion, designer belts. Hear me out. I was that person. I was that person that had Louis Vuitton monogram belt, Hermes belt, loved it. Thought, yes, what a lovely little piece to add to an outfit. And then my parents went to South Africa and bought me these like really nice, non-branded, amazing quality leather belts in like, I have a white, a red, a blue, and honestly, I don't wear anything but these belts. I feel like you really don't need to spend your money on designer belts. Personally, I feel it's not as much of an outfit elevator as everyone says it is. It's not going to elevate your outfit like if you put that money towards, I don't know, a cute pair of designer sneakers that you like, or a bag or whatever. And you know what? Everybody has a Gucci belt, and every drug dealer on the corner has a Louis Vuitton belt, so don't bother. The second item that I really don't understand as to why anyone needs to buy this, except for one reason: twillies. Twillies, or these little, different brands call them different things, but essentially they're just a skinny piece of silk scarf material. Some people put it as like a strange little necktie. I get it if you're using it to like zhuzh your bag up and you put it on the handles to protect the handles. Love that. Used as anything else, I'm like really like £120 for this little skinny little piece of scarf. I don't know, except to protect the handles of a bag like your Birkin, twilly yourself to death, okay? Because that Birkin needs to be kept in pristine condition. I get the twillies for that. Anything else, I'm like, honestly, I feel like we're just wasting our money right now. And you could waste your money better. Okay, the third thing that I really don't think are worth it. And this might be because I'm bitter. If you've been on this channel long enough as a seasoned subscriber, you know that I've had my ups and downs with designer sandals / slides, okay? Haven't found the one, given up on the one's not happening for me. The more I think about it, the more I think designer slides are not worth it. This is the thing. At the end of the day, they are rubber. I'm talking about the ones that don't have an ounce of leather in them, the ones that are just plastic, the ones that look like they have been punched out of, I don't know, a car tire. You know the ones I'm talking about, okay? Givenchy, you know the ones I'm talking about. I feel like they're, and you know what? They're like 200, they're like £200, $250, like $300. Like, you waste your money in better ways. The fourth thing, another controversial one because I know how popular these are, that I think are just a big waste of money, are the Dior Festival bracelets. I mean, just drag me to hell at this point. Listen, I don't know if it's just me. Let me know in the comments if you feel similarly about this. But again, these bracelets are not cheap. They're like $150, $200-ish. Like, you know, they're not the most expensive of Dior accessories, but if I was like 16, I would be rocking them. I would think I was it with my Dior little festival bracelets running around town being like, bitch, I'm it. But I don't know, now I'm just like, are we not too old for this? Okay, I mean, just slam me, drag me to hell, cuss me out in the comments, whatever, I'm here for it. I'm just telling my unpopular, hideous opinions. And finally, again, this may be because I'm bitter, as much as I want a designer bikini, I am not going to part with £300, £350, £400 of my own money for a designer bikini. This is why. I know a high cut bottom works for me. okay? I think a high cut bottom is extremely flattering for a number of body types. Do you want to know what isn't flattering? The ones that just cut you straight through the hips. Pretty much all of them are like that, and to be honest, if I'm going to spend 400, 350, 400 of my pounds on a bikini, make me look good, you know? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, okay? What do you abhorrently disagree with me on? What do you agree with me on? And what do you think are just like not worth the money? Guys, like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Come and join us in our luxury family of addicts. We would love to have you join us. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.